Compared with traditional mechanical switches, membrane switches have occupied most of the switch market. So what are the advantages of membrane switches? First, good look. Membrane switches are colorful and beautiful in appearance. They can be customized according to your needs. They are decorative. On the other hand, mechanical switches have simple design and appearance. Second, simple structure. Membrane switches are thin, small, flexible, lightweight. They have good sealing performance. Mechanical switches are composed of metal parts, with complex structure and weak sealing performance. Third, flexible installation. Membrane switches can be installed by sticking, which simplifies the installation process. Mechanical switches, on the other hand, basically require welding and even a fixed bracket, making the installation more complicated. Last, long service life. The membrane switches have carbon paste printed on the contacts of the circuit, which protect the silver paste from wear and tear. There can be multiple layers of circuits with insulating oil on them. The service life of membrane switch can generally reach more than 1 million times of being pressed. JRPanel has rich experience in customization and production of membrane switches and graphic overlays. Welcome to contact us and place an order.